this video finds you well. Tonight we're going to look at caught speeding from Logic 1, and this is a Python solution. The problem states you are driving a little too fast and a police officer stops you. Write code to compute the result, encoding as an int value 0, no ticket, 1 small ticket, 2 big ticket. If speed is 60 or less, the result is 0. That means no ticket. If speed is between 61 and 80 inclusive, the result is 1. If the speed is 81 or more, the result is 2. So that's a large ticket. Unless it's your birthday. On that day, your speed can be 5 higher in all cases. And we can look at these examples here. We see if we're driving 60, and it's false, it returns 0 because we're within that speed limit. 65, and it's not your birthday, you get a small ticket because you're greater than 60, and you don't have that 5-kilometer buffer. And if you have 65 and it is your birthday, the result is 0 because you don't get a ticket because it's your birthday and you get that 5-kilometer window. Now how I'm going to do this is I'm going to start by just forgetting about the birthday part. You see we have 2 parameters here, we have speed and birthday. And what some students will do is they'll make an isBirthday section, so a true, and they'll write a whole bunch of code, and then they'll cut that code and copy it, and then do it again for not your birthday. And there's a nicer way to do this, I think. But we're going to start by just saying, let's just deal with the speeding straightforward way. So we see that if we're from 0, which is less than or equal to speed, which is less than 61, we have no ticket. 61 is less than or equal to speed, which is less than 81, we have a small ticket. And if the speed is greater than or equal to 81, we get a big ticket. Now I've said this in a couple of my previous videos, thinking about the order you check your conditions makes your conditions significantly easier. And where I'm going to start here is I'm going to start with if speed is less than 61. Because if it's less than 61, I know I don't get a ticket, so I'm just going to return 0. Now the next one I can do if speed is less than 81. And in that case, I'm going to return 1. Now what's nice about this is because if the value speed is less than 61, it's going to have exited the function here. So I don't have to do if 61 is greater than or equal to speed, which is less than 81. It simplifies my if statement because I know for a fact, because this if statement follows this one. So I return 1. And then finally, if I don't go in either of those, I'm going to be speeding, so I'm just going to return 2. And if I hit go, you see it's going to work in a lot of cases, but it fails in those cases where it's my birthday. So notice it's my birthday and it fails. Here it's my birthday and it fails. There's some cases where it's your birthday it works. And that's because on our birthday, this value 61 gets plus 5. This value 81 gets plus 5 because we get that 5-kilometer allowance. So one way we can deal with this is I'm going to make a variable called speed adjustment, or speed adjust, and I'm going to set that equal to 0. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to add speed adjust to both of these situations. And if I run this, it has no impact on my actual code, runs the same. But what I can do now is I can look at this speed adjust and now make a decision about whether or not to set that to 5. And to do that, I simply do if is birthday is equivalent to true. Well, then what we do is we set speed adjust equal to 5, because now I have that 5-kilometer adjustment. And if I hit go, oh, wrong language. If I hit go, there it goes. So I like this problem because it's similar to our last couple where we have these sequence of if statements and we think about the order we check things. But in this case, we take this variable that kind of changes depending on that Boolean state. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. And like I said, all of my solutions are available on my GitHub repository that you can find linked in the comment section. Have a great day.